Chapter 2, Segment 2, The Retina. The process of seeing begins with the retina. Light energy from our star is transduced into neural energy that can be interpreted by the brain. Transduce. To convert from one form of energy to another. Example, from light to neural electrical energy, or from mechanical movement to neural electrical energy. Fundus. The back layer of the retina, what the eye doctor sees through an ophthalmoscope. Optic disc. The point where the arteries and the veins that feed the retina enter the eye via the optic nerve. This part of the retina contains no photoreceptors and consequently is blind. It is known as the blind spot. We do not notice the large blind spot in our visual field because the visual system fills it in with information from the surrounding area. The fundus is the place where doctors can see the well-being of the vascular system. A photomicrograph is needed to get a good look at the structure of the retina. Photoreceptors are a light-sensitive receptor in the retina. Photoreceptor cells are made in the backmost layer of the retina where the transduction of light energy into neural energy occurs. When photoreceptors sense light, they can stimulate neurons in the intermediate layers, including bipolar cells, horizontal cells, and amacrine cells. These neurons then connect with the frontmost layer of the retina, made up of ganglion cells, where axons pass through the optic nerve to the brain. Retinal geography and function. The retina contains about 100 million photoreceptors. The human retina has two types of photoreceptors. Duplex, in reference to the retina, consists of two parts, the rods and cones, which operate under different conditions. The rods are a photoreceptor specialized for night vision. Rods are completely absent from the center of the fovea. They work best under dim lighting. They have the same type of photopigment, and they cannot signal differences in color. Cones. They are a photoreceptor specialized for daylight vision, fine visual acuity, and color in the center of the fovea, and they require brighter illumination, for example, sunlight and room lights. Has one of three photopigments that differ in the wavelengths at which they absorb light efficiently, and the cones can be able to signal information about wavelength, provides our basis for color. The fovea contains the highest concentration of cones and no rods. Eccentricity, the distance between the retinal image and the fovea.